Changes to the OSHA Hazard Communication Standard are bringing the United States into alignment with the globally harmonized system of classification and labeling of chemicals, GHS. This will further improve safety and health protections for America's workers. This presentation includes changes to the standards, labels, and safety data sheets. The Hazard Communication Standard, revised in 2012, requires the chemical manufacturer, distributor, or importer to provide safety data sheets, SDS, formerly known as Material Safety Data Sheets, or MSDS, to users to communicate information on these hazards. The standard requires specific criteria for label information, such as a pictogram and a signal word. The information contained in the SDS is required to be presented in a consistent, user-friendly 16-section format. The Hazard Communication Standard covers over 43 million workers who produce or handle hazardous chemicals in more than 5 million workplaces across the country. The 2012 standard is expected to prevent over 500 workplace injuries and illnesses and 43 fatalities annually. Benefits of adopting the GHS standard will increase the quality and consistency of information provided to workers, employers, and chemical users, enhance worker comprehension, provide quicker and more efficient access to information, and provide a cost savings to businesses. As of June 1, 2015, the standard will require manufacturers to have this specific information on labels. Manufacturers have already started the changeover. The next slide shows the sample label with the required elements. All labels will include the following elements: pictogram, to convey specific information about the hazard or hazards of a chemical; product identifier, chemical name or number used to identify the chemical; signal word, alerts level of severity of hazard. This word will either be danger or warning. Danger is a higher level than warning. Hazard statement describes the nature of hazards associated with a chemical. Precautionary statement. These are recommended measures to take to prevent adverse effects. First aid statement. Emergency care information. Supplier information contains the name, address, and telephone number of the chemical manufacturer, importer, or other responsible party. The 2012 standard requires pictograms on labels to alert users of the chemical hazards to which they may be exposed. Each pictogram consists of a symbol on a white background framed within a red border and represents a distinct hazard or hazards. The pictogram on the label is determined by the chemical hazard classification. Click the link to see all the approved pictograms. The Hazard Communication Standard will require new SDSs to be in a uniform format and include the section numbers, the headings, and the associated information under the headings. OSHA will not be enforcing sections 12 through 15 as this information is regulated by other agencies. Click the link to view detailed information about the sections. Training of all associates on the changes to the Hazard Communication Standard must be completed by December 1, 2013. For more information about the changes, click to go to OSHA's Hazard Communication website.